हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में।
In today's video, we will write essay on Mother's Day. Mother's Day is a very special day of the year for both kids and mother. It is being celebrated by the teachers and students in the school by inviting mothers. Students take part in many cultural activities to impress their mothers. Mothers are specially invited to school by their kids on the order of school principal and teachers. At this day, mothers are given lots of gifts, love and respects by their kids. Kids prepare special poem, recitation or conversation for their mother. Mother's Day is celebrated in many countries at different days in order to highlight mother's role in our everyday life. All mothers play lots of great role in the life of their kids, from giving birth to making them a well-being human. It is only mother especially who shapes the child character and then whole life. Every mother plays a great role in the growth and development of their child. She takes care about what a kid want. She understands herself fully responsible for her child from waking up in the morning till sleeping in the night. She awake us in the early morning, help us in brushing, bathing, preparing breakfast and lunch for school, dress up. Go to our PTM, help us in homework, give food, milk and fruits at proper time, give medicine at right time when we become ill, wash and iron our clothes, play football with us in the home play ground. She makes us sleep in the night at proper time, prepares delicious dinner to us and other lots of activities. She does unlimited work for whole day long. She is only responsible for all works of all members of the family. Simply we can say mothers are great.
अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर।